Before we review the rules for crossing an intersection with a four-way stop sign, I'd like to remind you that pedestrians have priority and must be allowed to cross first. When it comes to stop signs, remember the rule of first in, first out. In this situation, following FIFO means this car goes first, followed by this car, then this one, and finally this car. Let's look again. If two or more vehicles arrive at the same time, each driver must yield to the driver on their right. The driver without any vehicles to their right has the right of way and can proceed first. If three cars arrive at the same time, the same rule. In this situation, all the cars arrive at the same time. So, we apply the common agreement rule, meaning one driver may try to move slightly forward. If the other drivers don't move and allow him to go, we then follow the classic right-of-way rule, where each vehicle yields to any vehicle on its right. These are the basic rules for driving through an intersection with a four-way stop sign. In the next video, we'll go over them in more detail.